There was no doubt in my mind that she was guilty. I think that the punishment was a good punishment.
And we call this justice. Give me a break.
Convicted, a jury finds Jessie Haynes guilty. What people in and out of the courtroom are saying about the decision and the sentence. Good evening, I'm Greg Kerr.
And I'm Kelly Phillips. Thank you for joining us. The defense attorney tonight has already filed an appeal in the case. He's trying to overturn her conviction for obstruction of a public passageway. The jury of 3 black men and 3 white men found Haynes guilty of blocking a door in the administration building last August. Prosecutors used this surveillance video as evidence. Haynes prevented internet journalist Jerry Jordan from going inside a room where the school district attorney was answering questions. She also prevented board member Mike Neal from getting in when he walked up to find out what was going on. Judge Langston Adams sentenced Haynes to 2 years probation, a $2,000 fine, 90 days in jail suspended so Haynes won't serve time unless she violates probation, and 100 hours of community service. KFTM's Leslie Rangel was in court. She has reaction from people on both sides of the case.
Some are calling Jessie Haynes' guilty verdict an injustice.
You would think this was a lynching or a capital punishment case over a misdemeanor in Beaumont, Texas. This is just another black mark on Beaumont, like we're used to.
Others see the verdict as progress towards change.
There's no doubt it sent a message to BISD, and if I was someone inside of BISD that had been doing something illegal, I would be extremely nervous right now.
A jury of 6 men found Haynes guilty of blocking a public passageway back in August of 2013. Video shows Haynes on camera preventing board member Mike Neal and reporter Jerry Jordan from walking into a room where the BISD attorney was answering questions. The misdemeanor trial took nearly a week, but the 6-man jury took less than 45 minutes to make a decision.
I wanted the jury to send a message to this community that the behavior that we saw as evidenced by the facts in this case is not going to be tolerated, that individuals, regardless of their position within the district, are going to be held accountable for their actions, whether criminal or not, and that hopefully this will allow this community and the district to move forward in repairing the damage that's been done so that everyone can move forward in the best interest of our children.
Usually what's next is an appeal. I think Ms. Haynes is an extremely fine person, and I think it's a sad thing for that, and I hope the community can repair.
Haynes faces 2 years probation, 100 hours of community service, and a $2,000 fine.
And I feel that it has a very big part in the color of her skin, because right now, look at it. And anyone else who have been convicted of a misdemeanor, you've seen the video, Mike Neal assaulted her, and it was unprovoked. He wasn't sentenced. The district didn't file on him.
The fact that the jury, which was mixed, came back with a quick decision is very encouraging, I think, for where people are going forward in Beaumont.
The jury may not have a hand in that goal, given the divided opinions about the verdict and the school district. At the Jefferson County Courthouse, Leslie Rangel, KFDM 6 News.
Judge Adams also ordered Haynes to attend anger management classes, an impulse control program, and a cognitive behavior identification course. To read some of the compelling closing arguments Leslie posted, you can go to our website, KFDM.com.